Welcome to Köln. Let's go for a walk in the city to see how it is. The name of this bridge is Hohenzollern. Many lovers travel to the city of Köln and attach beautiful logs to this bridge and throw the key into the Rhine River in the hope that these logs will never be opened and their love will be stable and eternal. Let's go to the other side of the bridge. Wow, these logs have stories. If there were so many lovers in the world, then our problem would be gone. Life could be much better than this. This is a beautiful view of the Rhine River in Köln, Germany. After we cross the bridge, there are some museums.
آره.
This is the Ludwig Museum and they keep a series of works of art in it. There is also the central train station of the city of Köln, Hauptbahnhof. How about we go to see this church up close? Gothic style architecture.
Römisch-Germanische Museum.
In this museum, they keep the works related to ancient Rome.
Außerdem ja, das schon. Emily
This is the famous cathedral of the city of Köln and its name is Kölner Dom. This church dates back to the 4th century AD. Would you like to see the inside of this church? Everyone is quiet here. Many tourists have come.
Maja, hier wieder die schönen bunten Salat.
From the outside, this church is very terrible, but inside it was decorated a little and there are several old paintings. Look at there. Here they still crucified their Christ. Guys, I can't stay here any longer. The light is on the other side. Let's go out.
Aha.
It started raining. Here is a series of old photos, especially this church and that bridge, which were largely destroyed by bombing during World War II. City tour. There are also shopping centers and hotels on this street. You can find many famous brands here.
Ich musste nur die Geruch. Da kommt Mama! Lemmy!
Köln is the fourth largest city in Germany. I was looking for a cable car on the Rhine. And street music is playing the accordion. It takes 4.5 hours from Hanover to Köln with these regular trains, which are not fast. The name of this famous street in Köln is Schildergasse. Look at that upside down ice cream on that building. Interesting. Bäckerei. Cafe bar Alfredo. It's noon now. I'm hungry. Let's buy something to eat.
Vielen Dank.
Well, I have a famous type of German sausage called Currywurst and pommes. It's okay, delicious. نه اما اوپن پاساژ هستش. Okay guys, let me know what do you think of the city of Köln. Thank you for watching this video. I'm trying to travel to all German cities and show you everywhere. Also, thank you for the likes, subscribes and comment. Stay with me. Thank you. This is inside the central train station of Köln. I have to go to platform number 9. Yeah, I should to go a little further. Platform 9 to the city of Hanover. I will go up from here. See you in the next video.
This is due to train repairs. We apologize for any inconvenience. Herzlich willkommen.